Have you entered the wrong passcode on your iPhone several times in a row, resulting in being stuck on the lock screen? You may also encounter a situation where your iPhone doesn't accept the correct passcode, and thus, you are stuck on the lock screen. If you are facing this situation, don't worry. In this video, we will show you 3 hassle-free ways to fix your iPhone that is stuck on the lock screen. Let's get started. Method 1. Force restart your iPhone. When your iPhone passcode isn't working or your iPhone doesn't accept the correct passcode, the first solution is to try to force restart your iPhone to check if the screen password starts working. Here, you can see the methods of force restarting different iPhone models. If you need to, you can pause the video to perform the operation. Here, I'll show using the iPhone 13 as an example. First of all, quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button, and finally hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. If the force restart doesn't work and your iPhone is still stuck on the lock screen, then AnyUnlock is the second solution. The tool will help you to repair your iPhone in simple steps. Method 2. Fix with AnyUnlock in one click. If you want to save time and effort, AnyUnlock is your best choice. AnyUnlock is a professional iOS unlocker that can fix your iPhone stuck on the lock screen effortlessly. Whether your iPhone is stuck on the lock screen because you forgot the password, or is stuck on the iPhone unavailable screen, or you have bought a second-hand iPhone locked by an unknown password, etc., with this tool, you can unlock your iPhone in one click. Additionally, it can remove other iOS locks such as Apple ID, MDM restrictions, iCloud activation lock, and SIM lock. First, open AnyUnlock on your PC/Mac and click Unlock Screen Passcode. Next, connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable and click Start Now. Now, select Download Path and click on the Download button to download iOS firmware. After the firmware is downloaded, click Unlock Now. Then AnyUnlock will unlock the screen passcode automatically. Please do not disconnect your device until it restarts. Finally, when the process is completed, you will see the screen passcode removed successfully interface, and your iPhone will not be stuck on the lock screen anymore. Method 3. Fix with iTunes. If you have iTunes on your computer, you can also use iTunes to solve this problem. However, this method has a relatively high risk of failure. For example, there may be incompatibility between the iTunes version and the iOS system version, device limitations, and other reasons. Anyway, let's give it a try. To begin with, put your iPhone into recovery mode first. Next, press and quickly release the volume up button and then the volume down button. Then, press and hold the side button and connect your iPhone to the computer via a USB cable. After that, iTunes will pop up, and you just need to click here to restore your iPhone. After the process is completed, you can turn on your phone to confirm whether the problem has been successfully solved. Thanks for watching. It is said that those who like it after watching this video will be luckier in 2025. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment.